Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. We all make TikTok videos using the voice available in TikTok. But, ever thought of recording your own voice and can't do it? The reason why you can't able to record your voice while creating a video is because of a disabled microphone. So today, in this video, we will show you how to enable microphone access on TikTok. First, open settings on your phone. Now, tap on apps and notification. And, you can see the list of the app you use. Look for the TikTok app, and tap on it. Now, tap on permissions. From here, you can allow the camera, contacts, storage as well as microphone access on TikTok. Tap on the microphone, and it will give you an option to allow the microphone. Tap on allow to enable your microphone. And, your microphone will be enabled. Hope this video was helpful, and you are able to enable microphone access on TikTok. Don't forget to like our video and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.